I'm Vivek Mata, the Managing Director of Chanok Equipments Private Limited, India. I'm here at Istanbul with Star Makina team, who are one of the leading manufacturers for cleaning products in Turkey, and they are the largest exporters. In fact, they export to more than 72 countries across the world, and which is very, very commendable. Charnock and Star Makina have been in dialogue for quite some time to finalize a cooperation between the two countries, and I'm happy to inform that today we had a day-long meeting, business meeting, wherein we have finalized a business cooperation between both the companies, that is Star Makina and Charnock, to introduce their product range into our country. Today, with the vast experience of Mr. Ramazan, who has actually brought this company to such heights, to add to that, his dynamic son, Ufkum, has Ufkum and the younger brother of Ufkum, both Ned